Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today our lesson is about preposition of time. Before you start the topic, I want you to familiarize with these topics, nouns, verbs and adjectives as they form the base for today's lesson. Before we learn the topic prepositions of time, first we will recall the topic. What are prepositions? Let's have a look at some of the examples for prepositional words like in, out, off, near, beside, between, and so on. What do you notice from these words? Exactly, they are usually short words. Preposition usually acts as a linking word in the sentences by connecting people, object, time, and location. Prepositions form a relationship between noun or pronoun with other nouns, verbs, or adjectives in a sentence. Let's have a look at some more examples. She's always up dawn. She is a pronoun and dawn is a noun. So there is something missing between the pronoun and the noun, and that linking word is before. She is always up before dawn. So the word before is the preposition of time, which gives complete sense to the sentence. Now let's have a look at types of prepositions. That is preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. But in today's lesson, we will be dealing only with preposition of time. Preposition of time discuss about appropriate time words such as date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or literal time. Most of the prepositions of time are the same words similar to the preposition of place, but they are used in different ways. When you ask the question when, there you end up with the answer for prepositions of time. Preposition of time words in, on, at, until, before, after, to, for, ago, from, since, till. Now let's learn about how each of these words are used in the sentences in different contexts. I always wake up at 6 a.m. So here the word at shows the preposition of time. I will stay until 3 o'clock. Here the word until shows the preposition of time. It's 9:45. So here 2 shows the preposition of time. I'm going to have a nap for 10 minutes. So 4 shows the preposition of time. I'm going to have a nap for 10 minutes. Here the word for shows the prepositions of time. She is always up before dawn. So here the word before shows the time. Our school will resume from 2nd September. The word from shows the time. I have been visiting this park since my childhood. Here the word since shows time. We will wait for you till 10 o'clock. So the word for shows time. It's 5:30. Here the word past shows time. I feel energetic after workout. So the word after is showing time. His birthday is on Sunday. So on shows time. Sam was born in 2000. The word in shows time. I finished my homework over an hour ago. So here an shows time. Well done. Now you know the prepositions of time. Follow the links to learn the other types of prepositions. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning channel. Subscribe to Friend for Learning channel on YouTube to receive free educational videos. Visit our website Friend for Learning to download free worksheets, PPTs and watch more videos on different subjects. Thank you once again and stay safe.